Hi, welcome back to my English channel. Let's learn English today. So I always see videos that say, how do I learn English? What do I do? And realistically, you need to stop watching how do I learn English and you need to just start learning English and watch videos that are actually going to help you pick up new vocabulary. So a great way to learn new vocabulary is reading and listening. So what I'm doing today is I've got the Beano. So the Beano is a comic book. So it's got lots of pictures and comics in it. And pictures and reading really help you to improve your English as it increases your vocabulary. And as I'm reading it, you will be listening as well. So let's just get started in the video. So I'm going to read it and show the comic here. I ask this video helps with your listening and your vocabulary. If you want to improve your speaking, this is the last week to sign up to my English speaking club. My English speaking club starts next week, so do sign up in the link in the comments if you want to practice your speaking with me. So let's get started. So I love the Beano. This is Dennis the Menace, Roger the Dodger, Billy Whiz, Minnie the Minx, and this is the 2016 annual, so it's 10 years old, and they're at a theme park. So this is the slide, the mountain, roller coaster, the dodgems, and there's all the characters from the Beano. So I grew up reading the Beano from when I was a child. They still write the Beano, so let me know if you ever read it or if it's translated to your language. Where are you lot going? Is it the National Wimp Convention or something? These girls are skipping along. We're having a girly sleepover and you're not invited. Not invited? We'll see about that. Girls, let's get this party started. Oh no! So the girls are not happy that Minnie has intruded their sleepover. What are you watching? There's a couple on the TV. A lovely romance, swoon. But Zombie Teachers Will Eat Your Brains is on the other channel. Eek! If you must stay, why don't you make the popcorn? On it. This is going to be the most pop-tastic popcorn ever. Here you go. Get this lot down your necks. Hope it's nice and salty. So Minnie has made the popcorn. Ugh, it's covered in pepper. You mean salt's not the black one? Don't worry, girls. It's pamper time. Who brought the mud packs? I did. Blah, it pongs. Where did you get it? From Rasher's pigsty, of course. Best muck in Beano Town. So she's throwing the muck on top of the girls. Sorry, girls, I'll make it up to you by plaiting your hair. Ouch! Together. Let's just go to sleep. Nothing else can happen to us then. Wanna bet? Squeal! Creepy crawlies! All the spiders and the bugs. Haha, it's just my plastic bug collection. Eventually. Finally, even Minnie can't minx when she's asleep. Wait, how can we sleep through this? Snore. Next story is Billy Whiz. Billy Whiz used to be my favourite character in the Beano. So he's a very fast character. Let's see if there's anything that can give me a decent race. I'll race you, Mr. Hare. Yawn, too easy. There must be something that could give me a race, so he's looking for an animal faster than him. That squirrel's pretty quick, and with the advantage of being more at home in the trees, it might give me a run for my money. Race you, Mr. Squirrel. First up the tree and back down. Hee hee. Yikes, I'm too heavy for the branch. Whoa, I like the look of that. I should be able to swing across to the next tree. Made it. Ooh. Eee. Ouch. Grew. Huh. Yay, I was first down. I won. Loony. Loony. Another Billy Whiz story. They're going camping. Isn't it lovely out here in the middle of nowhere? It's all right, I suppose, but a bit slow. This is a nice spot. Let's camp right here. Okay, so they've taken their camper bags off. Billy, where did you go? Home to get my tent. What? You didn't bring it with you? Nah, I built it in the back garden. I thought it'd be easier to nip back when I needed it. Okay. Quite a while later. Right, let's cook fancy beans on toast. Let's cook fancy beans on toast. I'm going to nip home for tea. I prefer Mum's cooking over yours. See you in a bit. So he's left his dad with the 2 tents. A few minutes later. We had steak and chips. It was great. How are your beans on toast? A little burnt. Anyway, time to turn in. Good night, Dad. Good night, Billy. It's night time now. Next morning. My back is killing me. Billy, did you sleep all right? I slept great. Where have you been? I couldn't get comfy, so I popped home to my own bed. How did you sleep? Not great, to be honest. And now I've got to clean up this lot in a cold stream. I think I'm going off this camping. What? I was just thinking about how much I like it. It's good to rough it a bit sometimes. What? Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember, last chance to sign up to my speaking club. If you want to practice your speaking, then please sign up before the end of the week, as the speaking club is starting in July. So thank you so much. I hope you learned lots of new English words, and I'll see you all later. Bye.